Cabana Bay.
She threatened me with my life.
I needed to come back. Yeah, the sun is definitely sunning today.
There's a pineapple in there.
Right. A lovely breakfast smoothie. That's so funny. We're sitting here drinking our drinks. I'm with Danielle. Hi. And she's also reading.
I finished Akatar last night. It only took me like, oh well, I guess it took me like a week.
That's not bad.
I'm pretty proud of myself, to be honest.
Yeah.
She threatened me with my life if I didn't finish it by the time I got up here.
Because we needed to talk about it.
But every time I try to talk about it, she just looks at me like,
And
it
then,
gives me nothing.
To be clear, we needed to hear you talking about it.
right, that's true.
Okay, I understand.
And also, Shanique picked up the new physical copy because we needed it and the library didn't have it. And Shanique threatened Danielle if she
bends this book, I picked the perfect copy. No bends, no tears, all the corners are perfect. She's beautifully floppy. She breaks the spine of this book.
Well, it's in my bag. What am I supposed to do?
Here, take that. You're gonna need it.
We made it to No.
Try again.
That's not the right place. We made it to Cabana Bay.
Beautiful.
And that's about it. We're gonna shower. I'm tired. We're gonna shower, change, get ready, try to go bowling. May or may not work out because you need a reservation and we don't have one. And then we're gonna go to CityWalk for dinner. Do we know where we want to eat?
No.
Can we try to eat at that Mexican place?
Yes.
What is it called? Antojitos?
Yeah, I've been trying to eat there for so long because everyone says it's fire, but there's never a reservation available.
Oh, do we need a resi?
I don't know. But we can see if there's one available, and if not, we can try to walk up or wait for it.
Yeah.
Because they always say the food is so good there.
I've never been in all these years, and it's like a centerpiece
I
of
know.
CityWalk.
No. Okay. So that's the plan. See you after we change. I really hope we get into that restaurant.
Me too.
I saw the pictures and it looks fire. This is really feeling like we could put a trench coat on and like be one really tall man.
My God. We are heading over to CityWalk now for some dinner. Hopefully we get into that Mexican place because I really want to try it. Also, it's pretty sunset time, and I'm hoping maybe we can take some pictures while we're at CityWalk while the sun is still setting. Ooh, it would. Maybe if we get like an emptier bus.
Yeah.
We made it to CityWalk, and also there's a prom happening. And now we're gonna head over to Antojitos to see if we have or if we can move up the reservation essentially. All right, so we made a reservation for 9 p.m. But we're gonna try to see if they can get us in earlier. Went up and they couldn't find Danielle's reservation, which I think it's because we did it through OpenTable. Maybe, I don't know. But they switched it over to, she just made us one for 8:15, I guess, because she couldn't find ours. And that's in 30 minutes. So we should go look around. Did you want to look at the Epic Preview store?
Sure.
Have you seen it before?
It's been a minute. I don't know if they've changed anything.
Huh? Here. They actually have added new merch. Because they're slowly transitioning and bringing stuff from Epic over to this. Not everything, but like a lot of stuff.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
That's
So cute.
the hat.
But look at this headband. It's the Jurassic Park headband.
Yes.
That is cute.
Beautiful.
I love it.
That's
The sheep.
That's cute as heck.
I love.
That is what you need to walk around with. We're heading into the other merch store. What is that? Oh, I haven't seen that movie.
Oh. We will be watching the sing-along version.
We just found the cutest necklace for like $10 for Celestial Park. I think it'll be perfect when we go preview Epic Universe. So our table also is ready right as we were checking out. So we're heading over to Antojitos right now. I don't know why I said it like that. Oh my gosh, the lights and the colors are so fun. We made it inside. We're gonna order our food really quick and then I will tell you everything that we ordered. But I think for right now, I'm ordering a water for one. And then a fresh margarita. I just can't decide whether I want blackberry or strawberry.
It's $15.95.
Oh, where do you see that?
Up here, table side.
I mean, that's not bad.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Chips and salsa came. We're gonna try the chip.
The salsa is great.
The salsa is fire. Oh my god, wait, the salsa is so good. And the chips are really good too. Dang. Here is the marg. It's huge.
Make it your way.
Danielle's drink has a popsicle in it.
Hello.
Oh my god.
It's actually really good.
Is it really? We're gonna try the strawberry margarita. Look at the straw, it's so small. Heavy on the tequila, light on the strawberry, just how I like it.
Can we get a better angle? This is atrocious. Anyways, the angle is not angling for me tonight. That's okay. Beautiful, gorgeous, heavy on the watermelon. Not that heavy on the tequila. Well, I don't know. I have been told I don't taste tequila the way other people do, but it's great. Great choice. Very refreshing.
This is delish. Good balance, tequila, pineapple, a little spicy from the jalapeno. It's not that sweet, but the popsicle is, and as it's melting, it's like, it's getting more balanced. Honestly, could use a little tequila floater, not gonna lie.
So I got the birria tacos, but it came with beans, which I asked for an extra side of rice instead because I'm allergic to beans, so I just have to talk to the waiter about that. Shanique got a burrito, which looks stunning, and then Danielle, already feasting, had got a fajita. I want to try some of the rice first. Ooh. The rice is so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know how we're gonna do the tacos because they're really messy. Oh, that's so wet.
Oh, really?
I should not use I'm not using my hands. I'm not using my hands. X-nay on the hands. Here is my bite. I dipped it in the guajillo chili sauce. Oh my god.
Delicious?
That is the best birria taco I've ever had.
What?
I'm so serious. I mean, you should be the judge, but that's so fire. Oh dear heavens. We just finished eating and 9 out of 10 overall, I think, for me. That was really solid. A lot of food. I wish we could take it home, but... So we're deciding not to get voodoo donuts because the line is horrendous. And you can mobile order, but we didn't mobile order beforehand and I don't know how long it takes since it's just like for pickup. So instead we're gonna go back to the hotel. All right, we made it back to the hotel. You're welcome. Good morning. We got breakfast down at Starbucks, coffee, baby Tabasco, and we're gonna eat breakfast and fuel up. And today's checkout day since we only did one night. And then we're actually gonna head down to the pool. We're gonna bring our books. We're fueling because we're probably gonna get a drink. And yeah, we're basically just gonna spend the whole morning, early afternoon by the pool. And then that's it. All right, we got to the pool. We came here too late, so no real shade for us, but that's cool since the bar has tons of shade, and that's really what's important here. Definitely gonna put my hat on because there are no shady spots available. Yeah. We moved underneath because we ordered JoJo's for lunch, and I'm so excited for it to come. We just Ubered it over here, and also because I need the shade or else I will be crispy bacon by the time we're done since we weren't under any shade at all. I hate this dust jacket. It's so shiny and stiff.
I don't like how that looks, even without the dust jacket.
I know. I don't
like
love
a cartoon.
I know. I don't love the.
It's a little fan thing.
Yeah.
I didn't buy it for the. I bought it for the content.
Are you liking it?
Actually, yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so far, it's like the main character is like a badass. She's kind of like a villain, which I like.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Are we gonna get drinks like when?
Oh, we should get drinks. Do we want to just take turns so we don't leave our
I mean, I'm still
stuff?
full, so y'all can go. So nice and warm.
Oh my god.
Yes. Beautiful.
Buffalo mac and cheese. Sandwich with fries. Maybe that for the onion rings?
Or maybe.
Onion rings.
Maybe.
Honey mustard for the sandwich, maybe? Yes. I'm gonna taste a french fries with some honey mustard.
Beautiful.
Ooh.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm. May I borrow a latte?
Are you gonna give it back?
Know how it is. Yeah, the cream on top of the coffee today,
It hit you?
it took me out. I love being TMI on the internet. Oh my god. No one does it better.
I don't even remember what was in here. I think
Honey
it was
mustard,
honey mustard, chicken, lettuce,
tomato.
stuff.
Oh my god. I'm kind of.
This is a good like poolside.
This is a good poolside wrap.
Hi, we're back again. I got home from the staycation and I literally died, and I was just like chilling at home for a long while. And so now I'm back at CityWalk. I'm just hopping in here because I just stopped by the mall that's right around the corner here to drop something off to do a return. And I want to see if there's any cute accessories because we're going to Epic. We're going to Epic really soon. And I just want to see if there's any little tiny thingy that I can get to put on my bag. I know we were just here in the vlog, but I needed to come back. I needed to just see what we could see and if there was anything we could use. So I see these guys. They're $21. And I'm thinking potential. There's potential. So I'm thinking my only two options are to either get Hiccup or Astrid, like the little stuffed characters, or get the headband and rip him off the headband and do that. I don't know what I should do. Okay, I am going to use Danielle's gift card to buy the headband and then just rip off just cut him off. We got him. I can't wait to go home and try to cut him off. And if anything, I do have a little sewing kit at home so I can sew his little feetsies if he starts leaking, but I think it'll work. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And that's gonna be it for this week's vlog. I cannot wait to go to Epic Universe. I am going with a friend, and I don't know if I'm gonna make a dedicated YouTube video for it because this first time that I'm going is more about just like experiencing it, you know, kind of living in it. And then when I go the second time after it opens, then I'll be getting all the content. But for now, yeah, thank you for coming along on this fun staycation. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.